Hello, folks. I want to share with you today the fifth principle of my book titled Living My Dream Part 2. And the principle is the principle of attraction. For you to be able to live up your dream, you need to be able to focus on how to attract people. You need to focus on how to entice people. You need to focus on how to entertain. And all this will have to do with how you package yourself. And I start with a quote that comes from Ashley Smith. He said, "Life is full of beauty. Notice it. Notice the bumblebee, the small child, and the smiling face. Smell the rain and feel the wind. Live your life to the fullest potential and fight for your dreams." Fight for your dreams. So the principle of attraction is simple. It states that you are the light of attraction. If you don't glow for people to see, then you have chosen to remain in the darkness instead. Remember, attraction leads to attention, and attention leads to information. And behind every positive information, there is a success. This is simply what I want to tell you to understand is that we have got to show the world what beauty is all about. It is amazing that you have been created with a lot of adornments, which you can use to create and attract yourself naturally. So what you need to understand is that the level to which you can package yourself and attract people, it is that level that determines your level of what? Commitments. Because when you attract people to yourself, you attract attention. And when you attract attention, there is a need for you to inform. Because when people are attracted to you, they want to see and hear and listen and see what you have for them. So you can see a lot of companies today, since decades, Coca-Cola has been in the system. But you realize that at every point in time, Coca-Cola are trying their possible best to make sure that they keep an attracting package for you and I. But the content is not different from what we used to know. But however, the packaging keeps changing and changing. Why? It's because of the principle of attraction. Whatever it is that you do as a person, whatever it is that you do as a business owner, your business, your person, you need to be able to package yourself in such a way that leads to attraction. Because we cannot be able to make our businesses flourish until we are able to pull around us people who are willing and able to support and buy whatever that we're selling. Because it is whatever that we sell that brings back a return. It is out of this return that we can talk about, we can say we're making a profit out of it. So if you are not making anything out of what you are doing as a personal brand, as more or less as a business owner, then you need to take your time to understand this principle of attraction. Today you go to most of the banks today, and you will see that the banks have changed their mode of code of dressings and what have you. They keep changing a lot of things, rebranding and what have you. But the services that they do, the fact is that the bank is always the bank. It is a place, even in 10 years time, it's a place you're going to keep money. Anytime you want, you go and withdraw money. That is it. The basic services of the banking institution has not changed. But day in, day out, we've seen banking creating more attraction to themselves by repackaging themselves. That is it. So this is just all that I want you to understand. As a person, you need to always package yourself well. And that is the same way that other marketing companies are doing today. They do a lot of things by making sure they repackage a lot of things, making it so beautiful, making it so attractive, so that it can draw attention to itself and make the market by itself. So you as a person, if you want to achieve that your dream, The dreams, nobody know how bigger your dreams may be, but you are the best person who can tell how bigger your dreams are. So you can look into yourself and see that bigger journey that is ahead of you. But one principle that you need to be sure of is how to package and attract people towards yourself. And what I'm talking about, I am talking about positive attraction. Attraction that will bring people attention to the fact that you have a product that you need to sell out. It is when you attract people, that is when the people will give you the attention to listen to you, to listen to you and hear what you have for them. But if the way you package yourself doesn't attract them, even when you stand in front of them to talk about what you have for them, they may not even give you a listening ear. That is simply what we need to understand. And I want us to share some few tips with us. I want us to share some few tips that we can use to package ourselves. As a person, if you are living up to achieve that big dream that you have, you must always, as part of the principle of attraction, you must always keep a wonderful smile. Number one, you have to keep a wonderful smile. You can imagine when you walk into a departmental store to buy some groceries, you meet a young lady, very beautiful, well packaged, and she welcomed you with a smile as if she knew you before. She smiled at you. She welcomed you as if she knew you before. The smile alone, even if you don't have anything to buy, but the smile alone can keep you a while, can keep you with her for some time. She can engage you because she's giving you that wonderful smile. You can imagine the beauty of a smile. That is why a lot of companies are encouraging their employees to put up a smile. People are even taken to training to learn how to smile. You don't need to go to any training to learn how to smile. It's simple. You see people always smile at you, you love it. Simple, put a mirror before you. Practice how to smile. A beautiful smile. Learn how to give a beautiful smile. Because there are some smile when you get it from people, they can turn off your day. Because that smile is very irritating. This is not that type of smile that we're talking about. This is a smile that comes down from your heart. The smile that welcomes everyone. The smile that accommodates everyone. That is the kind of smile. But not that fictitious smile. That's behind that smile. There is a different human being altogether. This is what I just want to let you know. One of the tips is one. For you to be able to live up to that principle of attraction, then you must be guided with these basic 3 tips. And one of those tips is a smile. Always keep that wonderful smile behind your face. Whether you are physically beautiful or not, but the smile will always bring a glow to you. The smile will always give you that glossy and wonderful face. The smile will always give color to that beautiful face of yours. And the next tip that I want to share with you is keep the dressing. Keep the dressing. I'm talking about how do you keep the physical dressing intact? How do you make sure that the colors combination of your dressing are always attractive, are always beautiful? This is simply what I'm trying to let you know. If you don't know how to combine colors in terms of how you appear, that is why in some companies they have their beauticians. Before you appear to represent a marketing company or what have you, the beautician will have to package you in terms of how you appear in terms of dressing. Then they will also have to teach you on how to put that wonderful smile behind the beauty. Because when you are beautified and there's not a wonderful smile behind the beauty, then it's quite irritating. This is simply what I want you guys to understand. So there's a need for every one of you to check up what you put on. Don't always take life so casual, because when it comes to the way you dress, when you casually pick anything and put on yourself, you might not know the end results may be more damaging. So don't take your dressing as casual, lest you may end up as a casualty of bad dressing. So this is what I just want you to know. And the last but not the least is to keep a body balanced. Keep a body balance is simply trying to tell you and I how we are able to manage our body balance, our body, our health, what we eat, our balanced diet and what have you. because if you keep a very good balanced diet, it definitely reflects in your body. Your skin looks beautiful. Your skin looks glowing. It's because you keep a very good balanced diet. It's not that just you eat anything that comes your way. There are some food, there are some certain things you need to take care of, because there are some food when you eat them, in the next 1 week, you begin to have pimples on your face. You begin to have a boil. So if you know these are the things that you are not supposed to be taking, in order to avoid tarnishing that beautiful image of yours, then you need to be careful that it's not anything that you need to eat. That is why you need to keep that body balanced by looking at what are the essential food that your body needs. And when you take that essential foods, they don't have any negative impact on your body, on your skin, on the health on your health. So you need to look at all those kind of things. So if you want to keep the law of attraction working and perfectly doing the magic for you, that principles of attraction you must always have it at the back of your mind, that you must always keep that beautiful smile, you must always keep that beautiful dressing, the color combination must always be superb. And finally, but not the least, you must always keep that body balanced. Even if you have to be doing exercise, keep yourself healthy. Do exercise, your routine exercise are very important. Take so much water to keep your body balanced. Try as much as possible to make sure that you eat the right and essential body nutrients food that your body needs. This is what I have for you today on the principle of attraction. I shall be coming your way with the other principles which we shall be sharing. So, my folks, I want to let you know that just keep subscribing to our channel. We will be coming your way with much more better things. Thank you for listening to me. May God bless you.